Our idea was to serve the best South Indian food. The first Bene dosa was made in a small town in Karnataka called Davangere, and it was made with hand-churned butter. In Davangere, in Karnataka, there is a small little restaurant which sells Bene dosas, not one, not two, 3,000 a day. Bene dosa, thanks to a lady called Chennamma. It's a craze, पूरा पागलपन है बेने डोसे का पागलपन। सब लोग पागलों जैसे लाइन लगा के बेने डोसा खा रहे हैं। अब मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि इसमें क्या है, इसलिए चलो जाते हैं इस एपिसोड में जिसका नाम है वेंकीज प्रेजेंट्स खाना नंबर 1 और डिस्कवर करते हैं व्हाट इज द मैडनेस बिहाइंड द बैंगलोर बेने डोसे। तो हमारे बेने डोसे का सफर शुरू करते हैं अंधेरी वेस्ट वर्सोवा मुंबई के कर्नाटका टिफिन रूम यानी केटीआर से। अंदर जाते हैं और गरम गरम बेने डोसा खाते हैं। चलो
My name is Saurabh and you guys have come to Karnataka Tiffin Rooms, KTR Warsaw. KTR, we started with the concept of getting Dakshin Kannada food to the Mumbai. So till now, the South Indian food majorly in Mumbai is either Udupi style or Tamil style. So that is the main reason why we thought of starting Karnataka Tiffin Rooms.
What better way to have a dosa than to start with some really hot filter coffee, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. Lovely. Now, I've got two dosas in front of me. So I'm starting with this. This is the Bangalore Masala Bene dosa. It's a nice crisp dosa with aloo stuffed inside, and there's a red kempu chutney, which is a red chutney. Kempu means red. And the way to eat this is that you start from the middle. You'll notice that there is no sambar served with Bene dosa. It's the chutneys that make the dosa. And we're going to start from there in the center. They say that if you start from the side, it starts getting soggy. So I'm going to use my two hands, which I normally would not. You can see how thick this is. कितना thick है ये. बाहर से crispy है, अंदर से soft दिख रहा है. And with this chutney. It's a whole bouquet of textures and flavors. बाहर से crisp, फिर अंदर soft होता है.
So the smoothness and the crispiness, the combination of those along with the butter, that makes it the perfect combination.
You've got the aloo sabzi, the aloo with soft onion in it, curry patta, wrapped around with the chutney, the garlic chutney. So there's a strong flavor of garlic and spice. And these two chutneys I'm going to try by themselves as well. I told you that what is unusual about these dosas is that it's not served with sambar. And ये पूरे chutney के जोर पे खाते हैं इसे. Okay, which makes it so important that the chutneys are made well. These chutneys are just fabulous. Oh, Mama, you're very nice. And now I can understand why this dosa, which is so Bangalore, has come to Bombay and broken all records. Why people are lining up to eat this dosa. It's unbelievably good. So this was the masala dosa. I'm going to go to this ghee dosa now. It's the same two chutneys. Little dollop of butter on top. It's like eating a golden, crispy, buttery, rich pancake. Now, if you were to ask me, what is the difference between normal dosa and the bene dosa? Not only is it in the amount of butter that is used and the making of it, it's also in the batter. लेकिन मैं यहाँ आया हूँ जो ओरिजिनल दावनगिरी डोसा जो है उसे खाने के लिए। Okay, और हाँ, it's ready. Now this is the original Davangiri bene dosa. It's a much softer dosa.
We are doing the OG recipe of the Bene dosa, which is the Davangiri dosa, where the white butter goes in the soft, crunchy dosa.
And with it comes butter, of course. This is potato and boiled onion smash and green chutney. Now, the Davangiri dosa batter is a little different from the other dosas. They're made of rice, puffed rice, whereas a normal dosa has urad dal, chana dal, etc. तो सोचो कि एक नरम डोसा है जो ऊपर से क्रिस्प किया हुआ है, उसमें थोड़ी पोड़ी डाली हुई है जो मसाला होता है साउथ इंडियन, बॉइल्ड आलू एंड अनियन, थोड़ा सा बटर, ब्यूटीफुल कोकोनट चटनी, नॉट वेरी वेट, फ्रेशली ग्राउंड कोकोनट। बट ये जो आलू है ना, इसमें इतनी सिंप्लिसिटी है लेकिन इतना फ्लेवर है क्योंकि सिर्फ आलू मैश किया हुआ है और अनियन बॉईल किया हुआ है उसमें। मैं एक एज वाला एज ढूंढ रहा हूँ, एज। कैन यू सी द ब्यूटीफुल बटर? और यही पीस मैं अभी खाने जा रहा हूं। मैं लगभग जन्म से डोसा खा रहा हूं, बाजू वाले कॉर्नर के नेबरहुड उडुपी जॉइंट में जाके, किसी के घर में जाके खा रहा हूं। लेकिन इस किस्म का डोसा मैंने बैंगलोर में पहली बार खाया और जब मैंने खाया मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि मैं क्या खा रहा हूँ। अब मुझे समझ में आ रहा है कि इस डोसा का जो जीनियस है, बटर इज पार्ट ऑफ द जीनियस, बट इट्स ऑल्सो द टेस्ट, द फ्लेवर, द बैटर, द चटनीज, द स्टफिंग व्हिच मेक्स इट एक्सेप्शनली गुड। बहुत अच्छे। चलो एक छोटा और क्रिस्प पीस खाओ। And let's check out the next dosa. अब जिस जगह जा रहा हूं मैं, it's crazy. It has taken the city by storm. In fact, when it first opened, there were queues outside, including Deepika Padukone. Yes, the place is called Bene. The original Bene opened in Bandra, which was really crowded. Now they've got one branch in Juhu, which is much larger, much bigger, and hopefully, I won't have to stand in the line. I love it. Okay, let's quickly place the order. तो this place is full of young people and मेरे जैसे बुजुर्ग को थोड़ी कभी-कभी मदद लगती है। तो मैंने सोचा कि why don't we talk to Pallavi here? The issue with coming here for a person like me is that very often when you're abroad in Europe or in the US and you're going to a fast food place, you have these monitors or these screens on which you order, and I always get foxed. So how does the system work? How do you order over here?
We started out hoping that it would be a self-reliant QSR cafe. So when you walk in, then you have like these kiosks in front of you. Whatever you want, you can select it. There are a couple of customizations, and then you can fill your cart up, and at the end, you can review it. After reviewing, it directly prompts you to like your payment gateways.
Okay, so this is not meant for people like me. It's meant for the younger lot. We have to order on this lovely screen. I'm thinking I will have the, let's do the Bene Podi plain ad. And I'll do the Bene Masala dosa. Yeah. Okay, so 126 KGF Rocky is my name. Now wait for the order.
What are you this? Do you brought the dosa and what are you saying?
That's me. That's me. You mind?
Thank you. Yes, both of them. Your
Thank you.
puri plain and your masala dosa.
My podi plain and my masala dosa. Let's go. How did the idea of Bene happen?
So Akhil and Shriya, the founders of Benne, they have been living in Bombay, but they're originally from Bangalore. And they just genuinely miss the food. It was the only thing that was missing from giving that home wala feeling.
Okay.
So one day they were just like, you know what, let's just do it. And let's see if it works out. There must be someone else who also feels the same way. Luckily, we were also received with a lot of love from other people.
Hey, this is what I like. Cannot have dosa without kapi. Lovely. So here we are, the iconic Bene dosas, the dosas that have taken Mumbai by storm. We've ordered two. One is just a plain one with podi in it, and this is the masala, which has got karam chutney inside, which is a really garlicky, red, fiery chutney. Of course, nothing works without that wonderful dollop of butter which is on top, because that is what a Bene dosa is all about. Let me start with the masala. And as usual, the recommendation is that you break it right in the middle and you take a bite from the middle and don't start like a gentleman from the side. Oh, this is looking so good. And we got two chutneys. One is the with a green coconut chutney, and this is a tomato and garlic chutney. I've always been a fan of dosa. I've always liked the dosa with butter on it. But this is another thing because it's crisp and golden outside. It's soft inside. The mashed potato masala is wonderfully spiced. Curry patta with mustard seed tadka. What else is there in it? Onion, of course. And the karam, this karam, the chutney inside, the garlicky chutney makes it too delicious. Okay, now for the plain dosa. I'm going to attack this plain one. You can see the podi inside, butter, and I'm going to have the chutney in the next bite. I can feel the butter. I can feel the ghee, the deliciousness, the richness, the crispiness, the goldenness, the smokiness, the softness all together. The little bit of that spice of the podi. You see the podi? It's a dry powder which then when it mixes with ghee becomes into the most delicious condiment you could ever have. We try it with the chutney now. So here we are. Bangalore's iconic Bene, now in Mumbai, the dosa that's taken the city by storm, the restaurant or the cafe that's taken the city by storm, is just won my heart also. Bene dosa ढूंढते ढूंढते आखिर में मैं खार स्टेशन के वहां पहुंचा हूं जहां है मुत्तुस्वामी. एक असली साउथ इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट जहां मैं लास्ट बेने डोसा, इस एपिसोड का लास्ट बेने डोसा टेस्ट करने वाला हूं. तो चलो मुत्तुस्वामी जाते हैं और लेट्स हैव सम मोर बेने डोसा. क्यों? तो
my name is Amol More and you are at Cafe Muthuswamy Khar. Our idea was to serve the best South Indian food and authentic near this location at very affordable price, homely style food, the best South Indian food in this locality.
One more filter coffee. Fabulous. बेने डोसा खाना है तो ऐसे ही शुरुआत करनी चाहिए, ऐसा मुझे लगता है। ये मेरी तीसरी फिल्टर कॉफी है। बीच में शक्कर के साथ ली थी, अभी विदाउट शुगर, लेकिन विदाउट शुगर भी अच्छी लगती है। ओके, हमारे यहाँ अगेन 2 बेने डोसा है। वन इज अ प्लेन बेने डोसा, वन इज अ बेने डोसा विद मसाला। लेकिन यहाँ यानी मुथुस्वामी में थोड़ा सा फर्क है। ये चटनी तो है ही, लेकिन यहाँ सांबार भी देते हैं बेने डोसा के साथ, और मेरे प्लेन बेने डोसा के साथ थोड़ा सा मसाला यानी आलू की सब्जी भी दी है। तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट आई कुड हैव ऑर्डर्ड जस्ट अ प्लेन बेने डोसा एंड द मसाला कम्स बाय इटसेल्फ। इसके अंदर पोड़ी है, बाहर मक्खन, और शुरुआत यहीं से कर रहा हूं मैं। 3 टाइप की चटनियां हैं, व्हाइट चटनी, टमाटो चिली एंड अनियन चटनी, ग्रीन चटनी। पूरा तिरंगा हो गया यार। तीनों जगह सेम बोल रहा हूँ। बाहर क्रिस्पी है, अंदर सॉफ्ट है। पोड़ी का जो फ्लेवर आता है, थोड़ा सा उसमें ग्रेन आता है। पोड़ी जो होती है, मसाला होता है, उसमें रेड चिली पाउडर होता है, उड़द दाल होती है, चने का दाल होता है, इसलिए ग्रेनी आता है फ्लेवर। उसमें हिंग पाउडर भी होता है। इसमें हमें थोड़ा सांभर के साथ टेस्ट करने वाला हूँ। This is what I love in a sambar. Drumsticks. एक और छोटा सा पीस, और फिर बेने मसाला डोसा ट्राई करते हैं। आपको अंदर देखना है, देखाओ। सुपर्ब। मैंने एपिसोड के पहले एक नाम लिया था, चेन्नम्मा, याद है आपको? तो ये कहानी बेने डोसा की और चेन्नम्मा की है। 1928 में वो अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए, सिखाने के लिए डोसे बेचती थी। स्पेशलिटी ये थी कि वो घर का बना हुआ मक्खन उसमें डाल के बनाती थी, इसलिए वो क्रिस्प और डिलिशियस होते थे डोसे। 10 साल बाद उनके बेटों ने उस बैटर में पोहा, पफ्ड राइस या कुरमुरा और दाल डाल के इसे लाइट, फ्लफी और इस टेक्सचर में लेकर आए, और वहां से जो पॉपुलर हो गया बेने डोसा। बैंगलोर में उसकी पॉपुलैरिटी स्प्रेड हो गई, अभी मुंबई को तो टेक ओवर कर चुका है। फैबुलस। तो ये था हमारा वेंकीज प्रेजेंट्स खाना नंबर 1 का एपिसोड बेने डोसा पर, और मैंने आपको मुंबई के 3 बेस्ट बेने डोसा खिलाए हैं। इफ यू लाइक दिस एपिसोड प्लीज राइट टू अस बिकॉज वी नीड योर इनपुट्स। हम जानना चाहते हैं कि आप क्या खाना देखना चाहते हैं। तब तक के लिए देखते रहिए अगले हफ्ते और उसके भी अगले हफ्ते वेंकीज प्रेजेंट्स खाना नंबर 1।